Hi everybody. Well, we are getting ready to go to Leadville, and by the time you see this we will probably already be gone from there, but I'm so happy. I'm in the back making coffee and gonna get breakfast, and Robert is taking care of some errands. He's gotten the gas and put the transmission fluid in, checked all of that, and I just love being on the road. So we have stopped on the side of the road at a pull-off in front of a wildlife refuge. There's no there's no elk here today. There usually is at this particular place in this canyon. Robert has a video of this canyon drive on his channel, and it's right across the road from where I got stuck last year, or was it year before last, Robert, with in Loch Nani in the van, but I met some wonderful people out of it. And anyway, so Robert is going to put some soup in our 12-volt crock pot, as you can see there. And we will let it cook while we drive on down the road. And then, oh, and the wind just shut the door. And then we'll stop. Are we stopping in Laramie, Robert, for groceries?
No.
Okay.
Colorado.
Oh, we're going on to Colorado?
Yep.
Okay, but whenever we do stop, we'll have a nice lunch waiting on us. Thank you.
That's homemade from scratch soup, too.
Yeah, I was just going to say thank you, Robert. Okay, so we stopped at a lake, and he tweaked lunch, and now we're stopped at a roadside rest area thingy place. We're not sure what this is, and he has lunch ready, and I am so hungry. Thank you, hon. When Google steers you wrong and there's no place to turn around, and because of your toad you can't back up, you look for whatever positive things you can. Right now we'll take 2 cranes, or whatever those white birds are, and a whole bunch of waterfowl, because it ain't looking too good right now. So we went on this road because Garmin and Google said that it was a county road turnaround because we missed a turn. And there goes Robert having to try to see if there actually is a turnaround, because we can't back up with the toad. Well, I mean, we could, but it is a free wheel and would just be a nightmare. So look at where Google and Garmin sent us. Out in the middle of nowhere. Fun yet, hon?
It's getting better.
Oh, you found a place?
Not only I found a place, I found an entire prairie dog town.
Oh my goodness.
And I could hear the prairie dogs.
Oh, thanks to your new hearing aids.
We can actually hook around. This is like a Y or Delta here.
That's what I was hoping.
This road continues going, but I don't dare to follow it because you have to drive through a prairie dog town.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to do. That's how little use that road gets.
Well, I wish they'd put up a sign and not let anybody go through it.
Well, I think we can just make the Delta out here and do a couple of tight rides and get back turned around. So.
All right. Well, thank you.
So it was worth it for the prairie dogs.
Okay.
It's just as I was telling you, I never would have turned off the pavement except for this was labeled as being a county road.
Oh, I know. I
thought it would be safe.
Several county roads.
It's supposed to be a network of them, and most of them are closed. So
yeah.
Yep.
Well, here we go. Here we go. Es una aventura.
Exactly.